So good evening all, I am Dr.R.Priyadharshini from the Department of Costume Designing and Fashion from DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. So in this video, it is about design thinking video, and here we are going to talk about and discuss about the new fabric structure and design. Let us move into the video. So, in this video I am going to explain about the design thinking concept. Like we know the design thinking concept, without this empathize and ideate, and without this prototype and testing, there is no design thinking will be there. So using this design thinking, we are going to produce a new garment for the sports wear. Okay, so this is the concept now I am giving to the table, and the problem statement here I am giving like a fashionable garment tearing easily, as user sweating will be there, because for the sports wear we have to give a very comfortable wear, because it should be more stretchable and it should be more flexibility should be there, and if there is any sweatness will be there, it should be absorbed by the fabric. So this kind of features will be there. So we have to rectify the problem behind the feature also. So that is the problem here. So first of all, we have in this design thinking, empathize. So we know empathize. What is in the empathize? What is empathize? It's about knowing about the pain points of the customers. So we have to, first of all, we have to find out the pain points of the customers. So if you come to the sports wear, what will be the pain points of the customers? They need more flexibleness, and the fabric should be more comfortableness is very much important. So we have to give a good outfit for them. Then only they will react with their outfit in sports. Okay. So great fabric design solves real problems. Yes, absolutely. Okay. So in a sports wear, a very good perfect fabric, what will happen? It will give a good problem. It will give a good solution to the problem. Okay, so let us move on to the next slide, like design thinking process. So in this process we have a step-by-step process. It starts from empathize and move into the define. So what is under define? We are defining the problems of the users, customers. Yes, am I correct? Okay, so what is the problem here? What is the definition here? So we have to find the faults from others, like we have to find the faults from through surveys and through questionnaires and interviewing the sports person. We can find out the problems from them. And the next third step is about ideate. What is the ideation? From that problem, what we are gathered as a collection, from that collection we are going to go with the ideation. We have to collect some ideas and we have to implement them ideas also. Okay, so the implementation of ideas we have to call it as a prototype stage. Okay, so in this stage we are going to create a sample, that is a prototype sample. It should be have all the features what we have get from a collection of ideation. Okay, so in this the defining process, we are collecting the problems, what they are having, exact problems. Through the problem, we are giving a solution to the current users. Okay, that is the prototype. And finally, once the prototype is finished, if the whole outfit is finished, no. We have to go to the test, because we have to give the prototype sample to the users. We ask them to use how the performance will be. We have to measure the performance. Then only after measuring the performance only we are getting the result for the fabric outfit. Okay, so this is the idea behind the concept, behind the problem statement. Okay, and different users need different fabrics, exactly, because in sports there are so many sports fabrics. So list down some sports. Football, basketball, tennis we are having, table tennis we are having, so many, then long jump, high jump, so many things are there. Okay, so for each and every stages we need a different type of fabric. Okay, so here what I am saying, we are combining the cotton with some kind of a spandex. Okay, otherwise we are combining the cotton with the lycra. So this kind of a modulation will happen. So this kind of a modulation, what will it will end up with a result in a good fabric, a new fabric, new idea will be happen. Okay, so here in empathize, I'm giving a designer visiting a sportswear brand, and we are interviewing the users. What are all the feedbacks you are having? What are the drawbacks you are having? So we have to ask the viewers. Okay, their pain points we have to ask. And second thing, define. We have to give a list of insights. If they need airflow, moisture management, stress recovery, and we have to ask all these things. And ideate, and we have to go with some ideation, like whether it is suitable or not, plain may be suitable or not, or if satin may be suitable or not. We have to choose the ideation. And prototype. Finally, we have chosen the ideation, we have to go to the prototype, and we have to test the yarn. So this is the working condition of the principle. Okay. And outcome, finally we are innovating a new innovative fabric for the sportswear brand. Okay, and so the close-up of a student leaving a fabric sample, pinning a sticky note that it start with the user. Finally, we are giving the product to the customers. We are giving a sticky note like start with the user. Okay, so this is the framework of the problem statement. Okay. So I think you people have got some idea about the design thinking concept as well as the fabrics, how to implement the fabric structure and design concept into the design thinking concept. Okay, thank you.